Hey guys, today I'm checking out this 3-in-1 wireless charging station that I received for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice one because it folds and it takes less of space and lets you organize all your desk, your nightstand, and it helps you to get your area a little bit less cluttered, which I think that it's nice. We got the user manual, a power adapter with a USB-A charging port, that's the one that we're going to use, and the proper main unit. As you can see, it's quite small. It has different air vents, so it can cool down easier, and it has a USB Type-C charging port that we're going to use right here. You just unfold it like that, and you open the space where we can place the AirPods, and with the side button, we can open it like this, and now we can place our Apple Watch. At this side, we can use the MagSafe technology of our phone, so it can stand. It can be vertically or horizontally, depending on what we need, which I think that it's nice. Okay, let me set it up. Just have to take it that and plug it in. Once that it's ready, you just have to place your devices and start charging them. Okay, let me get them. So I've got my devices in here. I'm gonna just place the cell phone, and as you can see, it starts charging immediately. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Now I'm placing the Apple Watch, and as you can see, it starts charging. It was out of battery, and now we have my AirPods 4 that I'm just gonna place them like that, and now I can have everything charged really nice. As I've said, you can have it vertically or horizontally, and what I think that it's nice is that you can enjoy like having a angled view, so you can start looking at a movie, something like that. If you're at your desk, you can be having the perfect angle to watch your cell phone, and if you don't want it and just have it like that, you can have a calendar, the clock, and everything that you need, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because as you can see, it's quite small, really compact, and you can take it with you anywhere that you need it. I think that it's really nice. It's a nice way to have your desk all uncluttered, or your nightstand with your devices at reach, making it a really nice option to have, and I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.